In this video, I'll show you how to update your Shopify Dawn theme so your store stays fresh, secure, and running at its best. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips. Head to your Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Here you'll see your current theme, including the version you're using. If it shows that your theme is already updated, you're good to go. But if it's not, here's how to update it fast. Click on Add Theme, then choose Visit Theme Store. In the store, use the search bar to look for Dawn. You'll see the latest version right away. Select Try Theme and it will automatically add the new version of Dawn to your theme library. From here, you can preview the updated theme to make sure everything looks right before publishing. Once you're happy, go ahead and apply it to your store. Keeping your theme updated means better performance, stronger security, and the newest features for your customers. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify guides.